Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a basic dark fade with a textured top. This is a regular client, guys, not a hair model. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's get started. Attach a 1 guard to establish the guideline. Use this guard with the blade closed. For this blend, I'm using the original 44 Magnum by Caliber. Attach an 8 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up, pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 7 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat without touching the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation until it has been erased. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is the straight razor. The next step is to remove weight and add a bit of texture to the top of the hair. If your finished haircut looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The machines in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.